In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents to Shopify blog posts. A table of contents is a simple way to help your readers jump straight to the sections they care about, and it can also make your post look more professional and easier to scan. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process inside your Shopify admin, step by step. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage your store, products, orders, and of course, your content. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the section labeled Content in the left-hand menu and click it. This is where Shopify groups all of your written content, including your blog posts. Inside the content area, select Blog Posts. This will open a list of all the blog articles you've created for your store. Take a moment to find the specific blog post where you want to add a table of contents. Then click on that post to open the editor. When the blog post editor opens, scroll to the main content area. Decide where you want your table of contents to appear. A common place is right under the introduction paragraph, so readers see it immediately before they dive into the details. Click into the content field at that spot and type a short heading such as Table of Contents, so it's clear what this section is. Under that heading, create your actual table of contents using bullet points. Each bullet should represent a main section of your blog post, so use the same wording as your subheadings where possible. This keeps everything consistent and helps readers know exactly what they'll find when they click. Next, turn each bullet point into a link. Highlight the text of the first item in your table of contents. Then use the link icon in the editor toolbar. In the link field that appears, paste or type the URL or anchor link that should open when someone clicks that item. This could be a link that jumps to a specific section on the same page or another relevant page if that's how you've structured your content. You'll also see a place to enter the link title. This is the text that can appear as a tooltip and may be used by search engines, so write something descriptive, like the name of the section the reader will see. Repeat this process for each bullet point in your table of contents, making sure every item links to the correct place. When you've finished adding and linking all items, click Insert Link or confirm the link settings in your editor. Then, don't forget the crucial step. Click Save in the top or bottom corner of the page to finalize all your changes so nothing gets lost. Finally, click Preview to open a live preview of your blog post. Scroll down to your table of contents and test each link to make sure it jumps to the right section. If everything looks and works the way you want, you're done. Your Shopify blog post now has a clear, clickable table of contents that makes your content easier to navigate and more user-friendly.